Hello! You might have heard of the Twinkl Rhino Readers scheme aligned to the DFE-validated Twinkl Phonics teaching programme. But did you know there's also a range of Rhino Readers books aimed at preschool children? Our Level 1 Twinkl Rhino Readers books are like no other books on the market. Each book integrates sounds into the story throughout.
Clap, pat, stamp.
Giving children the firm foundations they need in describing and discriminating sounds before they begin to learn letters. They've been carefully written by teachers to support the 7 aspects of Phase 1 phonics teaching, meaning they can be used whichever phonics scheme children go on to use. And each one has an engaging story for an adult to share with a child that's just the right length to keep interest, while still being packed full of exciting, adventurous vocabulary, so you can say goodbye to the struggle of making the story up as you go along with wordless books. Let's take a look at some of the features that make the Level 1 Rhino Readers book so special. Before children begin learning to read letters, it's really important that their listening and phonological skills are secure. This means they need lots of practice in focusing on, discriminating and describing sounds around them, as well as opportunities to hear and join in with rhyme, rhythm and alliteration. That's where our Level 1 books come in, with each book focusing on a different aspect. You'll see it on the front cover alongside the unit. When you're sharing one of our Level 1 books, there'll be lots of opportunities to listen to sounds that match the story and help children develop these skills. If you're reading the ebook in a browser, you'll see sound buttons pop up on your screen as you read. If you're reading on the Rhino Readers mobile app, you can get to the buttons with a quick click. And if you have a printed book, you don't need to miss out. Just scan the QR code on the Look and Listen page and you'll be able to access the sound buttons on your device to play as you read the story. Having sounds to hear and join in with as you read will really help to keep your child engaged. Just like our other Rhino Readers books, the Level 1 series align perfectly with the teaching in Twinkl Phonics, with books planned to link to all of the units of teaching in the Twinkl Phonics Level 1. So you can rest assured that the Level 1 books will take you through everything you need to fully prepare children for learning their letter sounds in reception. Take a look at the Level 1 range online when you visit our website and see our prices for the printed set in the Twinkl store. I hope this was helpful. Any questions, please be in touch via Twinkl Cares or take a look at the FAQs on the website.